Hello kids. J is for. Let's learn J words. Look carefully and guess the word. It is a person who performs tricks. What is this? Joker. Can you say it? Joker. J is for Joker. It is used in kitchen. What is this? Jug. Can you say it? Jug. J is for jug. It is something sweet. What is this? Jelly. Can you say it? Jelly. J is for jelly. It is something fun to play. What is this? Jigsaw. Can you say it? Jigsaw. J is for jigsaw. It is a kitchen tool. What is this? Juicer. Can you say it? Juicer. J is for juicer. It is a sport activity. What is this? Jogging. Can you say it? Jogging. J is for jogging. It is a glass container. What is this? Jar. Can you say it? Jar. J is for jar. It is a drink. What is this? Juice. Can you say it? Juice. J is for juice. It is a wild animal. What is this? Jaguar. Can you say it? Jaguar. J is for jaguar. It is a sweet fruit. What is this? Jackfruit. Can you say it? Jackfruit. J is for jackfruit. It is something you wear. What is this? Jewelry. Can you say it? Jewelry. J is for jewelry. It is something you wear. What is this? Jacket. Can you say it? Jacket. J is for jacket. It is a vehicle. What is this? Jeep. Can you say it? Jeep. J is for Jeep. It is a place to keep prisoners. What is this? Jail. Can you say it? Jail. J is for jail. It is worn like pants. What is this? Jeans. Can you say it? Jeans. J is for jeans. It is used to jump. What is this? Jump rope. Can you say it? Jump rope. J is for jump rope. It is a wild animal. What is this? Jackal. Can you say it? Jackal. J is for jackal. It is a happy movement. What is this? Jump. Can you say it? Jump. J is for jump. It is a sea animal with soft body. What is this? Jellyfish. Can you say it? Jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. It is a bird. What is this? J. Can you say it? J. J is for J. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on letter K.